All right, good morning, you guys. Honestly, brutal day. Uh, yeah, that's about it. So we took this first trade, ES inverse the 15 minute. I entered off that 15 minute inverse, and I could have held this trade out pretty longer. I just didn't know what was a good stop loss. But it was just a nice little like 1-to-1 that I took. Just called it a day on that trade. I then thought we were going to reverse after we swept the data highs, or created this big SMT with ES. As you guys can see, 630. Get to it. Sorry. 630 NQ swept data highs. ES did not, creating an SMT. I thought we wanted to go lower now. So when we changed state right here, I entered, and it basically instantly stopped us out. I was oversized for sure, and I was undersized on this ES trade. So yes, I went 1 for 2 today, so it should be a break even day, but I was heavily undersized right here and then oversized right here. So unfortunate day today, you guys. I did miss this clean move on the 5 minute, this inverse. I so would have took that, but I don't know what I was thinking. But that was the trade which should have took today, that inverse on the 5 minute after sweeping all this sell side liquidity down here. And then I believe actually this was an hour gap or 4 hour gap. This was a heavy gap. I guess, okay, we still respected it. But that's why I was debating going short this morning. I honestly just wanted to get off because of all the news, and then this big dump took out all this sell side, and I guess it actually would have been a perfect day for longs. That's just a mental error by me, but I slept in and then got on, looked at the charts, and then like kind of laid back down and then got back on. So that's my fault for missing this move. Perfect day for longs though. But yeah, no, brutal day today. Only took trades on the eval though, not the express. So not too bad. We just blew our profit away. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have a good day. I think it's going to be a lot of red news. There's more red news tomorrow. But I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, also, if you guys haven't, I created TikTok if you want to go follow that. I'm going to be posting trades and stuff on there as well. I'm just trying to get a little more active on social media to keep me locked in and everything. So, yeah. Have a good day, you guys.